Hello, this is Group 4 reporting from England. We are here to make a market research for the Danish company Økoladen. We want to see if there is a market for their chocolate products in England. To find out Økoladen's possibility, we handed out questionnaires to people on the street where they should answer questions about organic food and chocolate habits. In the following you see a conversation with one of the respondents.
Excuse me, miss?
Yeah, hello.
Can I interrupt you for just 2 minutes?
Yeah, 2 minutes, it's okay.
Thank you. We are making a market research for a Danish company called Økoladen. Yeah? Økoladen.
Yeah?
Yeah. And we have some chocolate here you can try.
Yes.
It's a white chocolate with licorice.
Okay.
What do you think about it?
It's good.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Very confusing with the licorice.
Yeah, and the white chocolate. Yeah, we heard that before. And we have some question here. Maybe you want to fill it out and help us with our school project?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
We also looked at the existing regular chocolate brands on the market, which could be Økoladen's competitors in the future. The competitors are Green and Blacks, Cadbury, Galaxy and Lindt. If Økoladen wants to expand to England, they have to be aware of the company Hotel Chocolate, who has 69 stores in UK. Their products look a lot like Økoladen's, except they are not organic. Økoladen has to be aware of possible legal issues about the design of the chocolate.
If Økoladen wants to expand to England, there are some differences compared to Denmark. One of the differences is that there is no taxes on sugar and fat in England, so the chocolate can maybe be sold cheaper than in Denmark. Økoladen also have to examine which VAT they have to put on the chocolate. We also went on a store check in a health store called Holland & Barrett, which is UK's most known health store. The manager from the store in Cambridge was very positive and interested in Økoladen's products. This could maybe be one of Økoladen's future partners and their way into the English market. And as you can see right now on the screen, the store has a lot of healthy products.
Hello!
We have enjoyed working with Økoladen.
And we see a lot of potential for them on the English market.
But maybe they have to reconsider the name.
Økoladen. Økoladen.
Økoladen. Say it again.
Økoladen. Økoladen. Very good. Økoladen. Økoladen.